In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Meta AI not showing on Messenger. So Messenger has new feature of Meta AI, but if this feature is not available for you, there might be various reasons behind it. The primary reason why this feature is not available for you might be because your application is not updated. This is the new feature, so in order to access it, your application must be updated to the latest version. In that case, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Messenger. Now you'll be able to see the applications over here. Find the application for Messenger and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now once the application has been updated to the latest version, this feature must be available for you. But if this feature is still not available for you, it might be because of the cache and data of Messenger. For that, what you have to do is simply clear the cache and data. For that, what you have to do is open the app library on the device, find the application for Messenger and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the App Info interface. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache. Now after the cache of this application has been cleared, this feature should be available for you. But if this feature is still not available for you, the problem might be with the availability itself. Meta AI is being rolled out gradually. It might not be available in your region or on your device yet. So simply wait for a while until Meta AI is rolled out for your device and for your region. After that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Meta AI not showing on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.